Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world you may be. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for being a part of our amazing soul family. Um, so I wanted to share something that's kind of been coming up in some of my sessions, and I realize maybe coming up for you as well. And that's the good old holiday cheer that we have um, when we get together at this one time of the year with family that we might not always see, or that we might not see that frequently, right? And it brings up a lot for us. It can bring up a lot for us. That one person that always seems to test you, or the one that has the opposing political beliefs that always wants to be right. Um, and it is there's a great something that I learned in studying reincarnation. One of my teachers said, you know, do you ever wonder why your family is your family? And he said, stop to think about it. How many of your family, how much of your family would you actually hang out with and spend time with if they weren't related to you? It's a really great question, right? And how many of them do you actually really have so much in common with that you would actually be friends with them? And he explains this in a really beautiful way. And he says that, it's the beautiful understanding and the awareness to know that these relationships that are the closest to you. These relationships are your family. Your family is your biggest karma, right? That's where you get to work out and you get to change and you get to transform is through those relationships. And so, of course, you know, every once a year when you get together with those family members that you don't always see, all of your crap comes up, right? And all of your crap comes up and you go, oh my goodness, I can't believe I have to deal with this and whatever. And a good measure of whether or not you've kind of really worked through your karma with people is for it to not bother you. So what if this was the year, this was a different year. This was a different year that all of those people, situations, what have yous that normally trigger you. What if this was the year that they actually don't trigger you? And what if this was the year that it just kind of rolled off your back? That's where we all want to get with all of these people that seem to push our buttons, right? And for sure, the holidays bring them up so fresh and so easy, like, pouring salt in the wounds sometimes. But what if this year was different? What if this year that crazy, uncle from, Nebraska ended up offering a bit of wisdom or advice to you that really warmed you and touched your heart and changed your relationship? Would you be open to it? Right? Yeah, exactly. Becky says so beautifully, it also makes everyone stressed, right? Everybody is stressed in that moment. And how much of that energy are you taking on, right? We don't even realize, like, people are overspending, people are over traveling, there are all these things that are coming up for people. So it's also to remember to have really, really complete ease and complete compassion with each and every individual that you interact with in this holiday season. We also have the full moon coming. Sidebar: we have the full moon coming very soon. I believe it's on the 15th or 16th, which is in less than a week. And so it's going to start to make its shadow. And that is also something that is going to bring up a lot for us with communication. Remember, we're still in Mercury retrograde, and Mercury retrograde actually goes direct that same day. So the same day of the full moon, Mercury goes direct. So there's going to be a lot about communication that's going to keep popping up for us. Just be mindful of that. Okay. And thank goodness by the time we get to Christmas, Mercury will be well out of retrograde and will be well into the um, waxing phase of the moon, which is the other side of the moon. So energetically, it really, really feels like this Christmas season, there's not too many chaotic and crazy things to get in our way of having an ease-filled holiday season. So I wanted to share that too. And also, you know, one of the things that also came up yesterday was this energy, that this pressure that everybody feels with gift giving, right? That this is the season to give gifts. You've always got to be able to whatever. just remember, you know, a gift is something that really comes from your heart, right? Does it have to be material? Does it have to be, does it have to make you feel depleted? Think about those things before you go out on the edge to try to give everybody a wonderful holiday and Christmas, and then turn around in January and you're so stressed out because you feel like you don't have any money or you're overspent. Just be very, very mindful of that. Okay. There's no reason. That was never ever the point of Christmas or gift giving in general, was ever to make you um feel overspent. So yeah. So let's play with those energies up through this beautiful full moon that we have next week. And let's manifest for great things, great things. Okay. So let's begin the meditation. Let's close our eyes and let's find ourselves in our heart. And as we do so, as we find ourselves in our heart, let's just say a little prayer of gratitude today. Thank you, Creator, Source, Light, Universe. Thank you for everything. Amen. Okay, so now let's begin by taking 3 deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And now let's shift our awareness to the center of the earth. And as we shift our awareness to the center of the earth, you see a beautiful ball of light swirling around in the center of the earth. And from this space, let's imagine this energy scooping up fresh earth energy, coming up through the soles of our feet, through our ankles, our calves, our knees, and our thighs, and traveling up through all of our chakras, and popping up outside the top of our head and forming a beautiful ball of light. And now switch your awareness into this ball of light, and imagine this ball of light traveling up out of the space that you're in, higher and higher and higher and faster and faster and faster. Imagine that ball of light lifting you up out past Earth's atmosphere, out into outer space, through different planets and galaxies in the Milky Way, and higher and higher and higher beyond there, out into different layers of light, some dark, through those layers into a beautiful golden-like light, and through the golden-like light into a jelly-like substance light, and through the jelly-like substance light into a beautiful pink haze, which is the law of compassion. And through the law of compassion, you enter into the 7th plane of all that is, the plane of creation, of oneness, and of complete totality. From here, we will ask for some downloads for the group today. And as a reminder, all you have to do is say yes to receive them in your mind's eye. So would you like to know what it feels like to have a different experience with family, to allow yourself to have a different experience with your family? And would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is in every single cell of your body to release yourself from any agita, any frustration, any anger that may come up that you so easily get triggered by? Release yourself. What if this was different? What if this year was different? If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is to hold on to your power, to recognize, to realize that you being in your power is unbreakable and unshakable, right? If we're truly in our power, nothing can stop us, nothing can get in our way. So if you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to be that person, be that energy where people go, wow, you've changed so much? And it's a kindness, right? To see, wow, you've changed so much. And for you to be proud of how much you've changed. If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like to be grounded? To know that you're worthy of being grounded, that it's safe for you to be grounded in every single area of your life. If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is in every single cell of your body to trust yourself, to trust your boundaries, to know that it's safe for you to have boundaries. It's safe for you to walk away from drama. It's safe for you to excuse yourself. It's safe for you to say no. It's safe for you to move to a different seat. It's safe for you. If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like in every single cell of your body to know that you're connected to the source? And as you acknowledge and become aware of your connection to the source, you realize that you too have within you all the capacities that the source does. And so, would you like to know what it feels like to know those capacities, to know how to truly be unconditional, how to love unconditionally, how to care, how to create, how to support, how to nurture? And the caveat is to do so without feeling depleted, right? Because do you think for a second that the source ever feels depleted? Probably not, right? That's an unlimited supply, an unlimited energy. So, what would it be like for you if you knew that you were unlimited? Would you like to know what it feels like to know that you are unlimited? To trust that it's safe for you to be unlimited and your power and your possibility? If you'd like that, say yes. Cool. Also, I'm getting this energy too. Like, what gift can you be for yourself? Right? What gift can you be for yourself? Would you like to know what it feels like to know what gift you can be for yourself? To trust that. If you'd like that, say yes. Okay, so let's shift our energy to those who require healing today. As we do so, let's just imagine them surrounded in the Creator's love, in the Creator's light. Imagine them happy, healthy, safe, protected. So let's please send unconditional healing and light to Millie. Happy, healthy, safe, and protected. Let's also please send healing and light to my mama, Mama Linda. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. Let's please send healing to Michelle. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And let's also please send healing to John. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And to Carrie. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And let's also please send healing to Mama Linda. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And to Anne. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And also to Joanne. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And to Ben, Cassie. Also to Andrea. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. To Susie. Carmazina. Ayo. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. Last but not least, would you like to know that you are unconditional love, that you be unconditional love, and that unconditional love is your birthright? If you'd like that, say yes. Now let's take our palms and rub our palms together, faster and faster and faster and faster and faster. Place your palms over your eyes. Your eyes are the windows to your soul. When you're ready, you can open up your eyes, allow that energy to come into your body and into your being. Place your hands on your heart. Congratulate yourself and thank yourself for being here. Guys, have a beautiful day, an amazing day, and I'll see you same time, same place tomorrow. Bye, everyone.